Assalamu alaikum guys, once again I am back with another quick tutorial. I hope you are all fine and doing very well. In this video I'll show you how to overclock your GPU without any risk. Without any risk, how you can overclock your GPU and get your maximum performance from GPU easily. So for that you need to download the MSI Afterburner. You can download it from description, link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, check out and download it. Now the process is very simple. You can do it on AMD GPUs and Intel GPUs. That's not important. You can apply these settings on all GPU. Now this is the interface of the MSI Afterburner. Now here is the core clock and the memory clock, and 810 and 61 MHz. That's my basic my GPU basic speed, not the overclock speed. So you can overclock it, just go for maximum performance and then you can click on the tick button and you can see here now the my GPU speed is increased, also with memory has been increased. Now there is another option that's work only with some GPUs, the fan sync. How it's work you can see here in the hint guys. Allow synchronized as to GPU for speed adjustment on graphic card with multiple independent fan controller. So ये आपके फैन को कंट्रोल करता है. It's controlling your fan speed automatically. Okay, now you can see it's on maximum performance, and you can also save the profile as well. Just click on the save button. Here is the floppy disk icon. This is actually a save button. Just click on it. Now you can set your profile, click on one, and okay, that's it. Now for example you just open this software, reset it. Now simply you need to click on the one profile and click on tick, and you can see your GPU has been overclocked automatically. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just comment below. Okay, now here is the another option guys. You can just check out the performance, and also make sure to focus on your temperature. The maximum temperature should be like 70 to 80, not higher. So that's it. That's a tip for you guys. Otherwise don't worry about it. It will automatically adjust the temperature and the overclock speed for you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.